Hey, welcome back, Bellaras. Today, we're making a super simple, all-natural face mask using orange peels. It's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants for glowing, refreshed skin. Let's get started. First, take the peels from one orange and add them to a pot. Orange peels are rich in vitamin C, which brightens your skin and fights signs of aging. Next, pour in 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Let this simmer for about 15 minutes to extract all those skin-loving nutrients. After boiling, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool down a bit. Then, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps to thicken the mask and gives it a silky texture. Mix it thoroughly over low heat until it forms a thick, smooth paste. You can pass it through a sift if you want. Once your mask has cooled to a comfortable temperature, it's ready to use. Apply a generous layer to your face, avoiding the eye and mouth, of course. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. This is your time to relax, meditate, or binge watch your favorite show. After 20 to 30 minutes, rinse off the mask with warm water and pat your skin dry. Your face will feel refreshed, hydrated, and glowing. And there you have it, a simple, natural orange peel face mask that's perfect for pampering your skin at home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!